Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I just went in the house for half an hour, goodbye bug, and left my paint covered. And it was quite hot out here. It's Florida, and it still remains in good condition. So I am going to go ahead and give myself permission to get moving. I don't want that. I do want my Venetian blue, even though it's very expensive. That's what I want. And I think I'm going to use some white metallic from Anita's also. And I don't know why, my muse is telling me go ahead with the Prussian blue. And I know that those, especially that Prussian blue, will often sell. Matter of fact, why don't I show you that? Like so. So there's no silicone in this. I did try silicone earlier today and it wasn't my finest moment. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst, my favorite #1. I'm just going to put this around, and then I'm probably going to grab some of my Deco-Art color shifting purple flash and put it in the rest of the way. I'm really happy to be able to use this up. I've probably got nearly enough paint on there. That's going in the bucket. Just going to wipe off my spatula, grab my purple flash. And hope for the best. I've got an edge catcher. I'd like to have a smaller edge catcher actually. And if there's one handy, I'll use it. I'm not seeing it. So in order to use this safely, do I want some more gold in there? Because I kind of think I do. Not only that, maybe I'd rather have some of that turquoise. My gold keeps plugging up on me. And I keep thinking, do I want something else? Give it a little test. I guess we'll find out. I like to play, for sure, take chances. A lot of times when you're tipping things, they tend to disappear. I am just creating a puddle at the bottom. Now I can do two things. I can tip that right back into the artwork and scrape it off, or I could use the residual that I have on my edge catcher and use one of my spatulas. And while I'm doing this puddle thing, I can roll the paint right down the side of the canvas, and if I rock ever so slightly, and I do mean slightly, then I can move that paint. I just fill in my holes, because this is a small 8 by 10 inch canvas. And if I have paint left at the end of this on the edge catcher, it can either stay on the edge catcher, go on my low liffy silicone mat. Oh, I'm going to want all that back again. I'm going to want that back right now. Squeeze. I'm going all the way over to that edge. I'm going to switch sides right now. Don't want to lose any of that at all. I like those stripes, and I kind of feel like if I can get it to go all the way, I can also get it to go back down into the painting. If it goes all the way up there, I can let some of it go. Oh, I don't want to lose that purple at all. So I am going to do what I said I was going to do right after I remove the rest of that. I'm just going to grab that paint right there, put it right where I need some, right in this corner. Using my spatula to apply it. I've got more, but it's all that blue, so I'm thinking I'm just going to put that right down where I can use it again later by peeling it up and making a silicone, excuse me, making a skin. So what else do I want in there? Something, probably more purple, really. I often like to think about black. And that's the Prussian blue right there. So maybe the Prussian blue is the answer. And maybe how I started is the way to go. Now if I want, you know what, I like that. That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll do that again. Oh, I had some pretty cells down there. But I like that pattern. I kind of want to do it with the other color. That's the turquoise color shift from Deco-Art. I like those marks. And I'm pretty well covered. Do I want anything else? Because now's the time. I think I want to continue this little orange mark right there. Just use a skewer and fake it out. Push it down over the side. And if I want any more, now's the time. If I want to do anything at all, now's the time, before I torch. Not something I always have an easy time remembering. So this is cool. That looks like a wild sky. Maybe there's a fire in the neighborhood. I don't know. But you can pull colors down and push them from one into the other. And spiral them around. I like my skewers with a little ball of paint on the end. That way I don't have a sharp point. But I also like them with the point on the end. What else? I know there's something else I want to put in here. I know it. I think just the tiniest bit more. And I do mean tiny. There we go. Now let's torch. I kind of like it this way, so that's the way I'm going to show it to you. So I got to tell you guys, I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, at the studio. If you're interested in helping me out, find my email address underneath the link tree underneath the video. And use it. And if you want to purchase a painting, then you will need the hashtag number that's in the title of any YouTube video. If you're looking for the edited versions of photographs from the YouTube videos, you might want to check Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. I've been populating albums there with my edited versions. Not all of them. You'll at least find the wet one there, because I'm like, I don't know, 400 or 500 behind. I'm a little busy. I'm just checking my edges for whatever might need to be covered, and everything is pretty well covered. And I love this effect, especially near the contrasting effect. So thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. I want to put some white in there. I just realized. And I'm going to start you know what? I'm going to leave that alone. So I do use GAC 800 by Golden in my paint pouring mixture, and my paint pouring mixture recipe is below the description in the video. So if you want to know what that is, check it out. I use bottles and I tell you how I do that. My website is under the Teespring, my website is under the Linktree link, as well as the Teespring, which is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Everything looks like Escape to me lately. And they're just, they're floating my boat. I mean, I really, really, really like this a lot. So Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also under the link tree. What else should I tell you about? Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. And I post the videos in advance there, so you can find them the next day. What else? I have over 1,460 videos, and they're organized by genre and by the 100 in playlists, and you can find those if you look for them on my channel. on Creative Playlist. Ask me questions if you want. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I do often. If you want to give me a nice review on my website, I have a Google business website, and it's on the link tree. Let's see, 5 stars would be good. I talked about Amazon. On Amazon, you can find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and the OXO omelet turning spatulas. Ooh, time to clean that off. Best paint spreading tools around. I guarantee that you will be happy. Well, I don't really guarantee it, but pretty much 99.9% of everybody is pretty happy. So I feel pretty confident that you'll be ecstatic. Truly. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you. I'm sure there's something I'm forgetting. Oh, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More is where you can find the Shop Now button. It'll take you to fineartamericanpixels.com and about 1,400 plus items. If you're interested in tote bags or duvet covers or shower curtains or a coffee mug, all of that helps me out. Teespring has the t-shirts and the leggings, but Fine Art America has everything else. Well, maybe not everything. Kind of wish I could do swimsuits and dresses. That would be awesome. So anybody out there who can help me do swimsuits and dresses, I need to learn how to to do that with the patterns they offer that I can't figure out. I love you guys. I'll see you guys anon. I was blathering. Excuse me very much. I will see you maybe tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out.